I'm going to talk about the mast cell and the bronchial asthma. And as you know, that bronchial asthma is, or allergic bronchial asthma is hypersensitive reaction type 1. So the mast cell, as you know, that the mast cell, they are tissue cells. The mast cell, they have receptors on the surface, and these receptors, they are specific for IgE. These receptors are specific for IgE. So in allergic individual, they produce IgE antibodies to the allergen. Allergy is an antigen. Okay? So if you are allergic to dust, so your body will produce IgE against dust, or if you are allergic to mice or whatever, your body during the first exposure, okay, this will lead to formation of these antibodies. So these antibodies will bind through their Fc bar to receptors on the surface of the mast cells. Okay? So these are IgE antibodies against the allergen. So this is the first exposure. During the second exposure, if you expose to the antigen again or to the dust again, these antigens will cross-link the antibodies together. Okay? This cross-linking will send two signals. One signal to the vesicles inside the mast cell, and this will lead to degranulation. Degranulation means the vesicles components, they come out. For example, we have histamine, we have platelet activating factor, we have neutrophil chemoattractant factor, we have eosinophil chemoattractant factor. So neutrophil chemoattractant factor, eosinophil chemoattractant factor, they attract neutrophils and eosinophils to the bronchus. So there is cellular infiltration now. Okay? Histamine will stimulate release or stimulate increased capillary permeability and vasodilation. Okay, this is histamine. So now we have increased capillary permeability, we have vasodilation, we have influx of cells, and the three of them, they are equal to inflammation. And this is the cause why we prescribe usually hydrocortisone to treat inflammation and to suppress this cellular infiltration. This is the first signal to the vesicle. So cross-linking of these antibodies also will send a second signal to the wall of the mast cell. Okay? And this will act on arachidonic, you know arachidonic acid? Yes. On the wall, and through two pathways, this arachidonic acid will lead to formation of prostaglandin and glucose, and this will lead to bronchospasm. So in some instances, we treat the asthmatic patient by giving anti-leukotrienes.